Hi, this is Joe. This is just a quick tutorial video. And the scenario that we're going to explore today is we are in mid-production of a book and we realize that for whatever reason our audio is not hitting ACX specifications. We've had to make a small change to our standard effects stack. And we have to go back to a previous chapter or previous chapters to apply those so that when we export they are all consistent. So the first thing we're going to do with this chapter is open up the mix panel. You'll see that there is already an effects chain in place, but we have made changes to this, we have updated it, and we need to replace this effects stack with the correct one. So I'm going to click on this drop down here. I'm going to look for the appropriate stack. You'll see this updated here with the new stack here, and now all I have to do is export that. It will apply this updated effects chain as appropriate. So mix down, you already know how to do. Well, we won't walk through that, but let me know if you have any questions.